In this video, we will show you how to create links to sheets in the Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub. First, open the app containing the sheet you want to add to the app. Please note that the sheet you want to share must be public. Click the More button and select Create link to this sheet. You can change the link name or keep the default sheet name. Select the space to which you want to create the link. You can create a link to your personal space or to the space in which the app belongs. When done, click Create. Now, if you return to the app, you will see that the link to the sheet is available here. You can manage and edit links directly from the app. You can add links to sheets from different apps following the same procedure. You can also collect the links to the sheets in collections. In this case, we are going to create a new collection and we add the links to the sheets that we have made available in the Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub. Then, we go to Collections and we make the collection public. Next, in the home page, we add this collection to the widgets. Finally, we place this widget at the top of the page. In this way, users will have the most relevant sheets available when they open the Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.